EasyTrim. It has a nice ring to it. I like it. We've been supporting and selling EasyTrim for several years now, and you don't think of chain link fence needing to have some type of a guard. You'll find the EasyTrim section on our website under postcards in the chain link area. It's in there because it works for chain link. Now you could use it on the bottom of ornamental, but it isn't designed for that, and the way it's attached you'd have a bit of a harder time. So the reality is you could use it with zip ties or something on ornamental, but it's designed really to work with the fabric on a chain link fence. So who would be a good customer for this? Well, anybody who's having a chain link fence installed who doesn't want grass or weeds to weave its way into the fabric of the chain link. And that is the perfect candidate. Now that could be industrial, that could be a school, that could be a homeowner. But if you offer it, and you can show certainly before and after pictures, and you'll see them right here, and you've seen it 100 times, and especially you landscapers out there are constantly working on corporate sites and other sites where you're using your weed whackers, and you have all of this grass growing, interweaving itself through kind of like a basket weave through the fabric. And now your filaments on your lawn equipment, your trimmers, get all shredded up. So by the time you finish one line of fence, you've probably gone through all kinds of line. So there's an opportunity to maybe upsell that customer to EasyTrim, but I must tell you, it is really tough after the fact, because once the grass gets interweaved, Stephanie and I had this example, and I'm sure they'll show it on the B-reel here, but what a pain in the butt to get in and remove all of that grass out of there and then put on EasyTrim. It's really tough. So when is the best time to install it? As soon as you get in your fence. Or if you're a fence builder, offer it, install it while you're getting things all finalized on the fence side. EasyTrim is effectively a channel, and that channel is extruded with UV rated plastic, and you'll see there's slots at the bottom, so they're used for two things: drainage and for attaching the EasyTrim onto the fence. And you'll see in the video here, we have it 3D animated, that it basically slides up under the fabric, and typically you have these connectors, and you'd have this connector slid inside here, one side, and you can just slide it down like a trombone. Da 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 da. I'm sure there's a dancing frog here, isn't there?
Hello, my honey. Hello, my ragtime gal.
Then you could take your next segment. Now these are only 27-inch segments. The segments were 48 inches when you'll get them, of course. And then you slide it up underneath, and then you slide over the connector, and that hides the joint. So that's how that works. And these stainless steel springs. So yes, this is kind of like a barrel of monkeys. You take the spring, put it underneath there, and then that top part of the spring gets up on the fabric and it holds it up. So that's EasyTrim. So what is it designed to do? It's designed to inhibit the growth of grass, we'll say vegetation, weeds, whatever, to get up into the fabric. It'll stop that and allow you to weed whack up against it, so you have a nice clean trimmed lawn without having this horrible looking fence line that is all overgrown. Kind of looks like one of those haunted houses. That's the idea. Don't have a scary looking house. Have a great property line with EasyTrim at the bottom of it. So we're excited about the product, and we're promoting it even more. I wanted to share that with you. All right, guys. Well, thank you for listening to that. If you're a landscaper, you probably, if the home is still relatively new and the chain link hasn't been encapsulated by weeds and grass, here's a good opportunity to upsell this on HOAs, corporate properties, homeowners. That'd be a great upsell, and the customer will thank you. If you're a fence contractor, you want to get this quoted on the job right away. And it's not an expensive solution, and it does a great job of what it's advertised for. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate all your support.